Guys, today we are walking in Aldea Zama, one of the most demanded neighborhoods in Tulum, and I'm gonna walk through to the streets, some properties, so you can see what to ask and what kind of properties are we having here. You're gonna see that is a massive construction, and also the rentability in this area is really good. So let's check it out. What you need to know about Aldea Zama is that it's the only neighborhood, well, also downtown Tulum, that offers 100% infrastructure. Everything is paved. You have water supply from the municipality, drainage, electricity, everything is here. Comparing to other areas in Tulum where you're gonna find that the roads are dirt roads and you don't have the best infrastructure. But here you're gonna have a lot of beautiful restaurants and places. The streets are completely done, and this is a place where you can spend a good time. You can walk here in the night. It's really safe, and you don't need to deal with bad roads. You don't need to deal with insecurity. You don't need to deal with any trouble. So that's what I like about Aldea Zama. Actually, I live here and I've been enjoying for the last year living here in this place. So I will recommend it to you 100%. In terms of real estate, you need to consider in Aldea Zama there are houses, $1 million houses, there are apartments. Land is very limited. You don't gonna find land. You could find some lots around $200,000 to build a house. But my recommendation is to check the condo apartments units. Basically, one-bedroom condos and studios are really saturated here in the area. So if you are looking for a short-term rental business, I will recommend you to get into the 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom condos. Of course, the price range is gonna be a little bit higher, but you're gonna have a better rentability. In terms of studios, I have one studio that I wanna show you. Let's go check it out. So we are located in a penthouse studio lock-off. What that means is that you can rent this part. You have your own washroom in here, and you have a bedroom in here with your private balcony with a beautiful view to the nature. So in this case, this unit is worth $140,000 approximately, and you can have an income around $1,500 to $2,000 in short-term rentals. What I like about this unit is that you have the possibility to own 2 units in one. So you're gonna have this part, which is the main studio, with your own kitchen, full washroom. You're gonna have your AC included, your fans, and your terrace with a beautiful view. So you can rent this part, and you can join the part above and rent 2 units, or you can use this unit and rent the one on the top. So that will make it versatile and maximize your return on investment. So here in Aldea Zama, you can find some lots like this one, where you could build your own house. The houses here are valued over $1 million and are really high level. Check this out. So these are the kind of properties that you're gonna find here in Aldea Zama, and these properties are having actually the best results. I'm gonna show you a house which is having the best performance for short-term rentals. This exact house is one of the best performers for short-term rentals here in Aldea Zama. So you can expect to have a house like this. There are some options for sale like that, and those ones are really good on short-term rentals. You can have up to 5-6 bedrooms, having the possibility to host up to 18 or 20 persons, and these are the good guys. These are the best performers for short-term rentals. Look at this beautiful architecture. It's always having this kind of nature involved. You have a lot of vegetation, and that's Tulum. Houses in Aldea Zama are gonna cost between $600,000 up to $2 million. So it's very high quality and very high finishes. You can expect to have really good designs as the one I showed you before. Take a look to this kind of design. The handcraft to make this, trust me, it's really hard, and the design are award winners for several awards in the world. So this is a two lock-off, double lock-off unit, which is gonna allow you to increase your occupancy rate. So you come here, you have two doors. So now you're gonna have one unit, that's the main unit, and you're gonna have the possibility to rent out these separately. And also you have another lock-off on the top. You're gonna have your private rooftop. So this is a really interesting options. 4-bedroom in total, and you're gonna have the possibility of divide this with 3 separate units. So here in Aldea Zama, you are gonna find this kind of projects. This is a wellness project. It was designed with all of this nature and all of this wellness projection in every single space of this project. This is the kind of lifestyle that you're gonna find here in Aldea Zama. So if you would like to know more information about the best projects that we have here in the area, please hit me up with a message. You have here my social media and we can talk more about it. I'm a buyer representative and I will focus on finding the best deal for you. All right, see you later.